Did you know that 63% of the world's wealthy people use what's called passive income to maintain and grow their wealth? Have you ever wondered how you can do the same and earn money while you sleep, work your full-time job, or even while you're on vacation? In this video, I'll show you 7 passive income ideas that could potentially earn you up to $67,000 per week. Just like I do. Are you ready to stop trading time for money and start making your money work for you? According to a recent study, 70% of people who generate passive income report having greater satisfaction with their financial freedom compared to those who rely solely on active income. In this video, not only will I give you an overview of these 7 passive income ideas, but I'll also provide you with real-world examples and show you how you can start implementing these strategies today. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching. Let's dive into it. 1. Investing in the stock market. Investing in stocks is a common way to generate passive income. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that company. If the company does well, the value of its shares can increase over time, allowing you to sell your shares for more than you paid. Additionally, many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. For instance, if you had invested in Microsoft in the 90s, your investment would have multiplied many times over. However, investing in stocks can also be risky, so it's important to research and understand the companies you invest in well. 2. Automating a side hustle. If you have a skill or hobby that you can monetize, you can turn it into a side business and then automate it to generate passive income. For example, you could open an Etsy shop to sell handmade jewelry. Once you've established your shop and have a steady flow of customers, you could hire someone to handle the day-to-day operations, allowing you to earn money without having to actively work in the business. 3. Creating online content. If you enjoy sharing your thoughts or knowledge, you can create online content and earn money through advertising, brand collaborations, and selling products or services. For example, you could start a blog about vegan cooking, create a YouTube channel about dog training, or launch a podcast about science fiction books. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through various income streams. 4. Private investing. Investing in private companies can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. For instance, you could invest in a promising startup or a local business that's looking to expand. In return for your investment, you would receive a share of the company's profits. However, this type of investment can be risky, so it's important to do thorough research and consider getting professional financial advice. 5. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. For example, if you have a travel blog, you could promote luggage, travel guides, hotel booking services, and other travel-related products and services. Each time one of your readers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. 6. Creating a digital tool. If you have programming or design skills, you could create a digital tool, such as an app or software, and sell it to generate passive income. For instance, you could create a meditation app, a photo editing software, or an online course about digital marketing. Once the tool is created, you can continue selling it without having to do much additional work. 7. Renting out your staff. If you have a spare room, a car you don't often use, or even equipment that you only use occasionally, you can rent it out to generate passive income. For example, you could rent out your spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, or your camera on a website like Kicksplit. Each of these passive income ideas require an initial investment of time, effort, and in some cases, money. However, once they're established, they can provide a steady stream of income with little to no additional work on your part. In conclusion, generating passive income is a powerful way to increase your wealth and financial security. Whether you're investing in stock market, automating a side hustle, creating online content, investing privately, engaging in affiliate marketing, creating a digital tool, or renting out your stuff, there are numerous paths to creating income streams that work for you even when you're not working. Remember, the key to successful passive income is finding something that suits your interests and skills, and then putting in the initial work to set it up. Once that's done, you can sit back and let the income roll in. I hope you found these 7 passive income ideas helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or if you've tried any of these methods, please share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I regularly post videos on financial freedom, wealth building, and passive income ideas. By subscribing, you'll make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.